I saw some sailboats or something down here on the lake. Let's go check that out. Yep, here they are. Let's try to bomb these guys, see what happens. Maybe I can shoot them. Yep. 2 sailboats gone. I seem to remember there was some kind of town or something. See if we can go find that. This is a runway as well. Maybe this is the runway that we came from, but let's see what happens if we hit that building with a bomb. Did that do anything? Where's that at? Oh, yes. Definitely blew that building up. Whoa. Okay. Let's try to hit this one.